Buona giornata and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to play with some Fenty beauty products. I am so excited for this. I hope that I love them, but we will see. We'll play with them together and you guys can help me out there. So let's go ahead and put these on my face. I don't want to jab too much. I just want to put it on. So don't forget to subscribe so I can keep making videos like these. I appreciate your support so much, each and every one of you. So please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. And let's go ahead and play with some makeup. I can never get these packages open. It always takes me forever and I have to open them from the bottom. No nails. Big problems. Anyways though, so packaging is the same as like the Diamond and Glow, like all of her other ones, or even the split pan ones. I always love the nice sleek white packaging. As far as price goes, the highlighter is 36 bucks and the Stunna lip paint is 24. It's been a while since I bought an actual lip paint, so in my mind I was thinking it was like a glass bomb and I was like 18 bucks and I was like, oh, uh-oh, you know, like, but hopefully I love the color, so we will see. So the shade I got is Wattabrat. I don't know if you guys saw my talking about new releases. I didn't want to pick up the greenish one just because I was like, I felt like it was too close to her summer collection, and then also I just don't want to buy products that I'm only going to reach for like every once in a while. Like I just felt like the mint green, I'm like, I'll probably reach for that once or twice a year. So hopefully this is a more, even though it's pink, I'm hoping it still like goes on to where I could wear it all the time, not just to those special occasions, but we will see. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm going to take it dry first and we'll see if we need to wet it. It does come with a nice mirror. Oh, please. All right, because I'm fine if it has that pink hue. I just want it to make sure it's not like super pink, you know. In the pan it does look pretty sparkly. I'm not seeing as much yet on the face in terms of that. We will take it kind of through here. Did a very nice simple eye look because I was like, neither of the products go with every look, especially the lip color I got, so we'll see how that goes. All right, let's get my brush wet and see how it goes on, because right now it's there. It's not blinding, but it's there, you know. It could be more. Okay, so with my brush wet, let's go in on this side. Wet obviously intensifies it a lot more. We're just gonna pop that on. Since all I have is brown in the crease, it should be fine. So it's definitely not as like pink as I thought it was gonna be. Let's do Cupid's bow. Let's just do everywhere, you know? Why not? I feel like from back here, so you guys can kind of see, it doesn't, like I thought it wasn't gonna work on really light skin tones, but it's really not that deep of a shade. Okay, so here is what we are working with. I mean, it's a Fenty highlight, you know what I mean? Like we expect it to be nice and blinding. I love the like diamond milk stuff from her a lot. It's definitely a pink highlight. Like I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It's definitely pink. Like there's no mistaking that it is a pink highlight, but I don't feel like it's too like out there. You know what I mean? It's not the mint green. It's not a color where I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can never ever wear this. You know what I mean? I feel like I could still get away with this on a pretty normal basis. That's also just me though, you know what I mean? I'm here for like a bomb highlight. Like I would like you to see me from everywhere, any angles. Okay, so I went ahead and highlighted my inner corners as well. What do you guys think? This is what it looks like swatched. So I feel like on my skin tone, like this is pretty, and I'm sure on deeper ones, this is gonna be a gorgeous highlight. If you are super pale, I don't feel like it's super dark or as dark as like I thought it was gonna be. You could also try it as like a blush topper. I think it looks really pretty, like it's kind of a nice light wash on my eyes, then I obviously deepened like the inner corners with it. But yeah, I'm not feeling like it's unwearable shade, you know? The shades that everyone's like, I'm gonna wear this to a festival or a Coachella that I never go to. Like, I don't ever get that. Like, I'm just like, maybe Halloween is when I wear those, but I feel like I could wear this. Okay, so I did try to find highlights that like are in my collection. That way you guys can kind of see and compare. I couldn't find anything that was exactly like it, and I love how I'm always like, I don't think I have that many highlighters, and then I'm like pulling all these out and I'm just like, you a liar. You're lying to yourself. But here are the swatches and comparisons. This first one is Fenty. Next is Afternoon Glow by Bobbi Brown, Pink Glow. This is Queen Drip from Kylie and Dior 02. So don't pay attention to my ugly fingers, okay? I'm secretly half troll. But yeah, I can't find anything that is this type of color. I will say close up it is glittery, so if you don't like a glittery highlight, you will probably not like this too much. It's not like all glitter or anything like that, but there's definitely some glitter in there. So just be aware. Man, I need some water. I don't know why my voice sounds like a man. Like, it's early and I don't know, like 2 hours after I wake up, my voice is just not what it's supposed to be, you know? But yeah, let's go ahead and put on the lip color. So the lip color I got is Unattached. The pink was gorgeous. I just felt like I had enough hot pink type shades in my collection. And I love myself coral and peach lips. So let's try this baby on. Of course, she's not gonna go with this makeup look or like this highlight probably at all, but we can still use her, you know, why not? Okay, so same packaging as always. The packaging is really cute. I think it's a little bit, not gonna lie though, it's a little misleading when you like see the box size and you're like, this thing is gonna be huge. Really, it's a lot of top. You know, it's not the biggest product. Not like I'm gonna run out of this color or anything like that, but the top takes up some space. That's all I'm saying. One thing I was surprised with as far as like the color she chose, it seemed like, well, there was that deep purple that was definitely more of like this time, this season. I still feel like it's winter right now. Like I'm definitely like, this color and the pink remind me of summer colors. I'll stop jabbering away, guys. I will. But yeah, I felt like these were more like summer shades, which is fine because maybe it will bring summer. If I keep wearing summer colors, summer will come, right? Okay, so on camera, it's definitely a little bit more like washed out, whereas in person, this is a super bright color. I actually like the way it looks on camera better than it looks on person. It's still really pretty in person, but definitely like an out there color. It is not for the faint of heart. You know what I mean? It's definitely a like punch for sure, where just very simple eye look. There's some browns and like you're good to go. So I am gonna put a brown lip liner and see if I can tone this down. All right, so I am back. This is the color with a lip liner on top. So I used Kylie's Brown Sugar. You could use like Matte Cork, that's super similar. This is the shade Swatch. It's not exactly the color I thought it was gonna be. Like, for some reason, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more orangey, where it's very on the, I mean, it is a unique-ish color for sure. And I think if you were looking for a color like this, darker skin tones, this is a gorgeous color. But yeah, by itself, it's like super punchy, great like statement type lip color. And I would definitely suggest getting something like this in a liquid lipstick form, because these are the colors that if you smudge them out of the lines a little bit, like while you're eating, or for me, it's just being a person, I am so not careful when it comes to my face. It goes everywhere and it just looks awful. So I'm really happy that it is in a liquid lipstick formula. These type of colors, you can't go wrong with this type of like, she does a good job in terms of staying power, shade wise. One swipe of like the brush and it was all in there. So not patchy at all. It's just not really the shade I thought, you know what I mean? Like, or maybe I just thought it was gonna look better on me. Maybe that's all. As far as the highlight goes, I really like it. I feel like it definitely doesn't look like, what is she doing wearing a pink highlight? You know what I mean? Unless I'm like really up close, you can see that it's pink. But I even feel from like back here, it just looks like a stunning highlight. Definitely pink though. Definitely is pink, I'm not gonna lie. So it's kind of just up to you. Are you guys interested in these products? What did you pick up? What are you going to pick up? What were your thoughts on the lipstick and the highlight? And yeah, guys, I think that's it. I mean, I'm not disappointed at all. I don't know about the lip color yet. It might grow on me, you know? Maybe she'll sit with me and she'll become my friend. But right now I'm kind of just like, she's on the chopping block a little, you know? I don't know about that. The pink was gorgeous though. I just have too many. Just too many pinks. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts on these products? where are you going to pick them up? Please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I do upload at least 4 times a week, so there's that. Look forward to more reviews with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.